guys, no? Ayan, no? Judicial Department, no? So, Section 4, Judicial Department, limitation and exercise of power of judicial review. Tingnan nyo sa number 4. Political questions are generally addressed to the political. Example given, elective branches, namely the President and Congress of the government, and are therefore not justiciable. Ayan, maliwanag yan, no? And are therefore not justiciable. Hindi siya, pag political, not justiciable sa number 4. Yan ay mga limitation on exercise of power of judicial review. Paano ngayon yan? Nakasulat ito sa libro ng 1987 Constitution. So, yun lang po muna at maraming salamat.